Good afternoon, guys. How you doing, brothers? I just did an impromptu video for an unboxing video for my birthday, which was months ago. I invested in this company, if you can see the label, Leaf, in a development razor that they were doing. So this is a brand new first production razor that I got in early on, so it was a lot cheaper. So this was my birthday present, which my birthday was months ago, but it showed up today. Today is December 19th, and it showed up, which is, as far as new business items starting up, less than a year. That's pretty good, actually. So this was it was like summertime to now. So 5-ish months. Not bad. So let's see what this thing looks like. This razor is called the Twig. Okay, something I can't read because I don't have my glasses on. Okay. The Twig. In the gold tone. It comes in different colors you can get. This razor takes a half a DE blade. So you will see it in upcoming videos. Probably not next week because I haven't got authority. I might be getting a razor for Christmas, so we'll probably do that razor first. But oh, that looks, that's pretty. So how to hang on to it? Let's see. It's got some lines here and some lines here, but this is smooth. Okay, I'm gonna work. But actually, it's in its bottom weighted like that. It is not as you'd think it would be. Because I was kind of wondering how that would be, because women can use this razor too to shave parts with, and guys, it just takes a half a. But the reason I got this and why I'm interested in it is because when I grow the Van Dyke here, the mustache goatee business here together, I grow a half mustache, so I have that half area to get in tight. So I wanted a half blade, skinny head that qualifies razor to get in there. To just shave, so when I can do half the mustache and not, screw up the mustache either. So that's what we're looking at. That's the razor. Boy, that's pretty. That's pretty. I might have to switch out that other razor I just used in video this morning and switch to this week. I might have to do that just to get a little practice with it before you see it on video. So I just thought you might want to see that. It's shiny, pretty, gold. Oh, that's pretty. I don't even know how to open the thing yet, so I just unboxed it. I'm gonna have to read the brochure so I know how to even open it. But wanted to share that with you. Have you take a peek at it and go with God.